to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can apply for your Palau digital ID. And this opens up so many perks for you. It will allow you to register on major crypto exchanges as a Palau citizen or resident. I'm not sure exactly which one of them it is, but either way, it will allow you to participate. So this is awesome, especially if you're American and you feel you have not been allowed to join these major exchanges. You can get this ID and you can apply. And yeah, we'll find out in real time how easy this is. So first thing is first is go to the description, click on my link, and it'll take you to a website that I'm going to show you right now. And just so you're aware, I don't earn anything for it. I don't earn money, but I earn points, which is fantastic. I'll get discounts on hotels and car rentals and stuff like that. But okay, so let's get started. Click on the link, and when you do, you'll meet me, and we'll do this together. It's the best way to learn. It'll take you here, rns.id, and it'll show like it's just a rotating screen. Don't click on this. This is different. Actually, it just won't work. That's what happens. You have to scroll up and apply here. Okay. See, apply Palau ID where I'm hovering. Click on that. All right. So once you get here, you can pick the amount of years. I tried doing the 1 year when I applied, but there was a waiting list, so I had to apply for the 5 year. If you do the 1 year, it's $248 in crypto. If you do the 5 years, I had to do the 5 years. A little bit more expensive, like $1,039, but it's for 5 years. So it ships anywhere, as you can see on the left hand side of the screen. You get an actual ID card like this. It just arrived in the mail. There's a glare. Anyway, fantastic. And you get great customer support too. It's not a bot, it's a real person. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's try to do the 1 year together, okay? So you would click, I can't see what I'm doing, huh? All right, so right above my picture, okay, right above my picture, I clicked on 1 year, right? Below that, you would see buy now. So we're gonna click buy now. It takes you to the screen. I know my picture's kind of blocking it, but you get the idea. So I will continue with Google. You can continue in other ways. I'm gonna continue with Google because I don't actually have my Metamask on this account. So that's okay. This is what you'll see. So you can actually pay with credit card too, which is great. I know I said earlier it could only be with crypto, but that's not true. You can buy it with a regular card as well, or Apple Pay, or crypto. I did crypto, and here you'll see like redeem with VP like code. I don't have that to share with you, unfortunately. I did go off and like chat with an agent, ask them like, hey, what's up? How come I don't have this? I spent a lot of money. Why don't I have this? And pretty much I'd have to pay like the same amount that I spent on my 5 year ID to get this special code for you. And I get like 10% more discounts on different hotels. And I just don't really see the trade-off. It would be great for you. You would get the 1 year ID valued at $248. You would get it for free and would just have to pay for shipping. So I'm sorry, I'm not willing to spend another $1,000 just so that you can get it for free. I just don't see the benefit so much for myself. So that's why I don't have to offer this to you. But it's okay, because it's not that expensive anyway. It's $248 for a whole other nationality's ID. I think it's a pretty good price. So you can pay with your card and it'll be straightforward. Everyone knows how to pay with a card online. You'll just put in your information. You may have to do like what is it called, like OTP, one time like code verification, or you'll do crypto. So if you decide to do crypto, say like you click on this, it'll show you like right above my picture, you can see like what you get for it. So it covers like shipping, all these things. You would say like agree, place order, and pay. Let's see what happens. And then you can pick your wallet. I did Metamask, of course, which I won't do because I don't have my Metamask wallet on this browser. Either way, once again, it would be very straightforward. I actually made a video to show you how to use Metamask. If you go back to my channel and check it out, it says Metamask, how to use Metamask, which I'll also link below for you to make it easier. So there's a video on this, but it's very easy. You would click on this, it would ask you, you know, to make sure you're logged into your own Metamask, which you should know how to do if you watch my video. And then it'll just like ask you to sign, right? It'll like, you get a pop-up window and you'll literally just sign. There's a button that says sign, and then it would proceed and process. You can also use Phantom, which is a wallet I actually like quite a bit for Solana. And then you can use Coinbase's wallet as well, which I don't have. And yeah, you would place your order. It would look, see payment not complete because I didn't put any payment information. So let's back out of here. But that'd be it. You would submit payment, whether, see it's showing me unpaid. Anyway, this doesn't matter anymore. Let's hop over to the main screen for a second. That's basically it. So you'd go to this URL that's in the description. You would follow the steps, pick 1 year, 5 years, and I think there was like a 10-year, I'm not sure. You can pay with a credit card, you can pay with crypto, and then the rest of the experience is quite nice as well. You'll get a confirmation email, and then it takes about 2 weeks for them to verify your ID. And yeah, they'll ask you to like upload like your passport or your ID. They do a money laundering scan on your background because they don't want criminals to be, you know, legally attached to their country. So they do a thorough background, I guess. And then in 2 weeks you're notified if you got it, which I did. And what you would do is they'll send you a link which will allow you to log into your account, and you can track the progress of your ID. Also chat with an agent if you have questions, which I did all the time. Very impatient. And they'll tell you it takes about 2 weeks to verify everything, and then at that point you can mint your ID, but for purposes of signing up with a crypto exchange, that's not going to help you, because when you sign up with a crypto exchange, they make you take a picture with your ID just to verify it's you. So it won't help you for crypto purposes, but then once they process it, then it gets printed and then it gets shipped to you. And that process can also take up to 2 weeks, because what I understood from an agent, one of the many agents I spoke with, is that they batch print your IDs. So don't get desperate if you're like, why haven't I got it? It just depends on when they print your ID. For me, in total, it took about a week for them to finish printing and ship off my ID. They're very good about notifying you via email. I got an email once my ID was shipped, which took me right back to their website to talk to another agent to find out how long that would take. And they also say about 10 days, 5 to 10 business days. But it was very fast. Like, I think I got my ID in a week. And they give you tracking information, and it's great. I got my ID like fast within a week. So in total, I would say the process takes about a month. So just be aware of that. Don't get super impatient like I did, because I thought like, oh, 2 weeks. No, it's going to take about a month in total. But very well worth it, and I will let you know how it goes. I'll actually make some videos on how it goes for me, signing up with Bybit and Binance, and let's see how it goes. So that in mind, I also just wanted to touch on the point that this doesn't keep you from having to pay taxes as an American. Just quickly, I'll share my screen. Crypto taxes. So this is the latest article I have found. I'll also drop it in the description. These are the IRS rules, and basically you have to pay, I'll give you the skinny, you have to pay on capital gains or losses. So basically anything you make off of your crypto investments, like off of that, right? These are the forms. I'm going to drop this link, like I said, but these are the forms you have to fill out to report any crypto related income or capital gains. And yeah, so you still have to do it. And I guess there's the service here that you can use to help Americans. I'm going to see if I can get an affiliate link, and I'll drop it in the link below. But if not, like, I'm leaving the link for you anyway, so go check them out. I don't care. And this is a big deal because you don't want to get any fines for being an American and using another ID and thinking like, oh, you know, I'm not going to have to pay any taxes. You do, and it's just not worth getting in trouble. And I will, so I'm not trying to evade. But many people have multiple nationalities. I actually have 2 other nationalities other than American. I just don't have those passports with me, and I don't really want to make time to go fly to these countries to go stand in line and get my IDs sorted out. So that's why the Palau digital ID was a great option for me. But the reason I bring this up is not to brag on my other nationalities, but mainly just to stress the point that it is a little confusing, you know, because I'm American, but I'm also other nationalities, and these other nationalities are allowed on these crypto exchanges, which I'd be more than happy to use, but I don't have their IDs. So that's why I don't know all the legal implications of using the Palau ID. I do know that Vitalik, the founder of, he's not even American anyway, he's Canadian. So disregard that point. You don't want to blatantly lie either. If someone asks you if you're American on these exchanges when you're signing up and you're like, no, I'm not American. I don't know if they're going to ask me that, but I'm not going to lie either. I'm just going to move forward and use it. If they, like, I'm just going to go through the process, and I'm going to use my Palau citizenship and see what happens. And I still plan to report my taxes anyway. So yeah, let's see. I think options are great. And as long as you're responsible and you still pay your taxes, you're fine, is what I think. But I'm not an attorney. Go click on the link from this website to find out from one of these tax consultants what you should do. I'll drop this in the link below. And yeah, I wish you well and a lot of success. And I will see you in my next video, where I'll be signing up for Bybit and Binance. I'll show you how to do that as well. OKX, I'll sign up on all the major exchanges and show you how to do it too. All right, ciao. Be good.